Hi, my name is Brianna Larimar. I'm a business trainer and consultant with Missouri Training Institute, and I'm excited to be hosting our first in-person supervisory certificate series since 2019. Some things you could look forward to learning if you attend the series. Day one is going to be all about you. We're going to take a look at your CliftonStrengths reports and understand some of the strengths and how they would best serve you in your new supervisory role. We'll also identify maybe some complementary partners that would be suited to pick up some areas that maybe aren't strengths for you. We'll then transition into understanding the importance of relationships in the workplace. Every supervisor knows that building those effective relationships is monumental to their credibility and to the productivity on their team. So we'll really talk about ways to strategically build those relationships internally. The following week on day 3, then, we will follow up with identifying communication styles. So we'll look at ways that people like to be communicated with so that you can best tailor your conversations with your employees to meet their needs. We'll then talk about that other big C that not so many people are as comfortable with, conflict. We'll help you understand what your role is when managing conflict on members of your team. We'll conclude the whole series, wrap it all up, really going back to establishing the expectations that you have as you leave the series for your employees. Then we'll talk about the best ways to have those coaching conversations, walk you straight through an entire process that you can stick in your back pocket for when you return to the workplace. So I hope you'll join me August 17th, 18th, 24th, and 25th. Register today at mti.missouri.edu.